Is there a replacement for the ping command in PowerShell? That's the question we're answering today. The ping command has been around for a very long time. Essentially, it uses ICMP echo requests so that it can determine if you have the ability from your machine to communicate to another machine. Well, there's two problems for us here in PowerShell. Number one, is the data type that's returned. It's really not that useful. And number two, what happens if ICMP echo requests are denied by a firewall? Let's take a look. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to send a ping command over to another machine in our test environment. You guys can see it's responding back just as you would expect with a ping command. But here's the problem. This is not object-based output. It's string. When I run the ping command and pipe it to get member, we're going to see that the object in the PowerShell pipeline is a string. That means it's going to be really hard for us to use that data in our automation code. So let's look at the PowerShell equivalent. We're going to use the PowerShell command test connection. It does one ping every second for 4 seconds, just like the ping command does. But here's the difference. When we run our command and send it to get member, you can see we have a lot of properties. So test connection returns back an actual object. So we can pipe it into the pipeline, we can measure it, we can filter it, we can sort it. But what if, for some reason, that ICMP echo requests are not allowed? Check this out. To get around the issue of the firewall blocking ICMP echo requests, I created this function called Test Online. If you're interested in the code, go to the Infotech Zone YouTube page, click on the Community tab, and look for the posting from October 1st, 2024. Here with the cmdlet test online, you're going to send the names of the computer that you want to connect up to the node's parameter. Now I also set this up to be able to accept multiple values either at command line or through the PowerShell pipeline. The way how this is going to work is it's going to set up a PowerShell session. If it's successful, then I'll go ahead and mark that machine as being online. If not, it'll be marked as false. Let's go ahead and give this a try. First of all, I'm going to put my function into memory, and then we're going to test it against 2 machines. And you can see that both of these machines are currently online. Now you have several different ways to determine whether or not you can connect to another client. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.